In this video, I'll show the project Jewelry Shop Management. In order to manage the jewelry shop, this project definitely will helpful. Here you can see that Solution Explorer. So all the forms are available over here. So the names are given for every form. The corresponding names are given here. So particularly take care of purchase, sales, and also the stock. So here is a stock report. So particular product we can select from the product name, and then if we say display, it'll show me the stock over here. And here is a server explorer. Here is a jewelry data, and here are the tables. So we are around 9-10 tables here. I'll show you the complete project demo. So watch till end. After that, you can able to develop this project in VB.NET or in Java or in C#. Even you can make as a desktop application, and also you can make a Android application. So all possible, but you should know what are the things you need to add up into this particular project. So you can also buy this kind of project from us. So in case if you have any requirement, please contact us. Fine. First, let me run the project. I'll just go to start and run the project. Yeah, it takes a little time, so fine, no problem. So here you can see that this project is running, but it will straight away go to MDA form. But what you are expecting is it should go to welcome form first. From there, it should go to the login form. Right. So after that, show me if login is successful, it should show me MDA form. And also see that this is a login form, which is in the normal size or small size. I want to make it bigger. So I go to Windows State and I say maximized. And I want to change the background color of this form. So I just browse properties. Here is a background image, background color. Okay, so I just go to background color. So let me choose some color. So I can also make a little bit bigger these buttons. That's how you can modify the project. Fine. So from here I can run the project. Sorry, first I have to change this login form, right? For that you have to go to my project. So here you can see there is a startup form. So here you have to select the flash screen. Then you have to close. Sorry, it's a welcome form. Right, so it's supposed to be welcome form. So therefore again I go back to my project. So then I can choose welcome form. Here it is. Fine, I'll close this now. So let's save and then run. So you can see that you have a jewelry shop management welcome screen. So it will be there for 5 seconds because there we are having a timer. Timer will run, and once 5 ticks are happen, so therefore the 5 second, then login forms will come. So here we have a login form, and here are the master entries. So I can go to customer entry first. So here you can enter the new customer code. You can give the code based on how you have planned. Short name or mobile number will do the job. I'll start with, let's say, Arun 9012341234. So then easy for us to remember who is this customer is. Maybe the complete name is something like Arun Kumar. Then you can have address here, pin code. So again here's a mobile number, then email ID, gmail.com. Fine, after that you can save the project. Here is a message box. We can remove this message box in case we don't want. So again if you click here, the details will come back and you can able to modify and delete. And also you can easily change the background colors. We can change the button colors. We can realign the buttons too, that's possible. Next is a supplier entry. So there is one supplier here, and same way you have to click new button and then you have to enter all the details and then you have to save. Next come is a category. So here what are the jewelries available that we can categorize. So category done ring, gold ring. So all ring types. Bangles, all type of bangles. So here is the category. So you can categorize all the products whatever is available. Next is the brand. So which brand it is? Okay. So here is some brand. I don't want this. Let's say Gilly. So this is what one brand. Okay. So from this particular company. So this is the brand. Okay. Then present gold price. So what is the present gold price? So it's around 5,000 now. So let's say 5,500. So prices are up. So why up? You need to write the reasons over there. Save this, close. Okay, I can close from here. Next is employee details. Right, who are the employees working there? That details we can enter it here. Next is this is what important. Okay, what are the jewelries available? That details we can enter it here. So jewelry code, I'll say ring 2 gram. So TGM, and this model number is M101. So ring 2, that is indicate 2 grams, M101 is the model number. Item name, so this is the ring 2 gram gold M101. We'll have the complete name here. So category, this comes under ring because whatever the entries are done, it'll come over here. So you can choose one from the list. Brand, so the brands which already entered, we can choose the one from the list. If you have more brands, so that list will come over here, you can choose the one. Weight, as I told, I'll 2 gram. This weightage is 0.2, therefore it is 2.2. Save, the one product is done. Likewise, you need to enter all the products here. Next is the purchase entry. Now we'll go, there is a purchase bill number and supplier code Naxis, and here is a ring M001, and this is 2.2. Quantity, we've purchased 5 totally. So okay, so we'll not purchase at 5,500, we'll buy at 5,000. So this is totally 55,000. That is for each ring actually. So save. So next, once you have product, we can go to stock and check the stock. We have totally 5 quantity in this. So we have sales form here. We can sell this product to customer. Now this is Arun, and here is the ring and 1 quantity. Okay, so this rate is per 1 gram actually. Okay, so therefore now it's for the 2.2, so it's around 12,500. No, that's okay, 5,500. Here it is correct actually, so it's multiplied over here. The total is multiplied with the weight and then quantity, therefore you're getting 12,100. Right. So save this, and there is option to print. So the bill will be printed here. Then close. Now we'll check the stock. This is what important. It should be minus. Okay. So the totally 5 quantities purchased and 1 is sold and 4 is the balance. So this is showing correct. Next we have reports like purchase report. It will show what are the purchases are done, and there is a sales report. This will show what are the sales done, and is also one more report called the employee wise report, which is the employee sold that particular product. Fine. So this is the report. So here is a report and this is the process. These 3 are the process, and these are the basic entries. These are called the master entries. They are one-time entries. Once you enter, that will be there always. The only then next we can purchase and we can sell and we can see the stock report. So these are the things which is covered in this project. So any form easily you can modify. You can able to see complete code here. When you click new, what we do is we'll clear the text controls. That means every text box should be cleared, and we are enabled and disabling the buttons. After that, we'll enter the data and then we'll click save button. When you save the record, you have to check whether you enter the data for the text box 1 or not. And also we check whether there is a data in the text box 1 and this name is already present or not. If it's already present, we'll give the message is already present in the database. Otherwise, we're going to save this record and here is the message box. Because of this the message will appear on screen. We don't want, we can remark it. Single quote is the to remark. So now when you execute non-query, so this is going to insert into the table. First you need to see the state, connection dot state. If it's open, we'll close this connection, so because then we'll open again. After that we will execute the non-query and we'll close the connection. And here is a display record. So because of the display record, the data will be displayed in the grid. So if you see this grid, okay, this is the data grid view. All the data what you entered, it automatically will display. Because of this will send to the grid. So here we select the brand name details from the brand table and brand name, and there is a data set, and this is the SQL data adapter. By executing this query, we take the data from the ADP, adp.fill ds1, so we'll transfer to the ds1, that is a data set. From the data set again we'll transfer back to the data grid. So dg1 is a data grid. Now you can see that brand, okay, so here is the brand table. If you right click here and if you go to show table data, you can able to see the data. What are the data entered? That data is available over here. Here also we can delete, we can insert, we can modify, all possible. Right, so there is a sales report here, and the button, close button, okay, we missed out the close button. So not to worry, just copy the button and then paste it here. So we get this one button, and we need to change this text to close. So when you click close, we need to say me.close. That is a code to close the form. So even in case of gold price, so where is the gold price? Okay, present gold price. So close, when I say close, me.close. So this is me.close. Right. So this is to insert to the gold price table. It will have the current price actually, and we select from the gold price and we can able to display it here. Fine, so these are things which is covered in this project. So write down the design and then try yourself. So if you're not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. We bring more videos. So click on the subscribe button, and then also you can go to Highblix tutorials, videos. Here you can see the complete videos. We're covering complete Python and VB.NET projects, C# project, PHP projects. A lot of projects videos are available. Please watch which are interested, and then please try and keep learn something every day and practice. You have to do something on everyday basis. Therefore you can improve your knowledge, and you can enhance your knowledge, and you can learn the skills. And practically doing yourself is also very, very important. Therefore take a small projects or small explanation video, watch that and then try yourself. Thank you.